Charged with fraud activity connected with computers, Lourdes Blas pled guilty in April 2019 to utilizing her access to the Department of Motor Vehicles computer to manufacture fraudulent driver's licenses for her own benefit. She appeared with Assistant Federal Public Defender Leilani Lujan this morning for her sentencing hearing. It was stated that Blas received a $300 profit for each license. According to the plea agreement, the defendant was employed with the Guam Department of Revenue Tax from September 2006 to November 2015. As part of her duties, Blas was authorized to access the DRT computer system to create, process, and issue driver's licenses under the department's motor vehicle division. Further stated in court documents between January 2014 and November 2015, Blas participated in an illegal scheme with others to process at least 320 fraudulent driver's licenses in return for a profit. As mentioned in court, Blas does not have any prior criminal history, has complied with the court's release orders, was cooperative with law enforcement since the start, and stood ready to testify against co-defendant Linda Plaucius. On behalf of the government, Assistant United States Attorney Stephen Leon Guerrero asked for a 3-year probation term, 30 days of home confinement as a condition of probation, and a restitution of $24,000. On the defense, Lujan argued against the restitution amount, finding it should be $1,025, presenting differences between co-defendant Plaucius and her client Blas's case. The court found it fundamentally unfair to hold Blas accountable for a restitution higher than the co-defendant, in which she held the matter at bay, asking the courts to come to a stipulation on the amount. As for time to be served, Blas made an emotional address to the court. While holding back tears, she stated that she loved her job, having earned her way up seeking a higher position at DRT, and was devoted to her work, but she regretted going over to DMV. And when she was offered the training at DMV by the director, she took the opportunity. Sobbing, Blas said, quote, "I shamed my parents, my father. He just died. Just a few months ago, he passed away. And he died with a broken heart. I am so sorry for what I have done. The only thing I want to say is, Your Honor, I am so sorry. And I'm so thankful my children were here for me throughout this whole process," unquote. Chief Judge Francis Tedinko Gatewood sentenced Blas to 1-year probation with no home confinement imposed and no court fine ordered. We should note it was stated in court that the co-defendant Plaucius was sentenced to a 5-month imprisonment term, followed by 3 years of supervised release, and to pay a restitution of $5,625 for her role in the scheme.